Welcome to Life and Death Biology, where we uncover the most shocking and hidden processes of the human body. In today's video, right finger: what happens inside your body when you die? Fearful: why do humans actually die? What causes the body to stop? And what happens inside you, step by step, before everything ends? Let's break it down. Oxygen disruption. Your body depends on oxygen every second. The moment oxygen supply is interrupted, your cells begin to panic. Brain cells, the most sensitive, start dying within minutes. Without oxygen, your brain can only survive for about 4 to 6 minutes. After that, damage becomes permanent. Brain shutdown begins. As oxygen levels drop, your brain starts shutting down. First, awareness fades, then memory disappears. Then your body loses control. Signals stop traveling. Your brain, the control center of your entire existence, is slowly going offline. But this is just the beginning, because what happens next inside your body is even more intense and far more terrifying. Right finger: in the next part, we'll uncover how your body loses control completely, and why there's a point where there is no coming back. What happens next is where things start to spiral out of control. Because now, your body isn't just struggling. What happens next is where things start to spiral out of control. Because now, your body isn't just struggling. As oxygen levels continue to drop, your organs begin to fail, one by one. Your kidneys stop filtering waste. Toxins start building up in your blood. Your liver, which normally detoxifies your body, begins to shut down. And now, your body is no longer able to clean itself. Inside you, a toxic environment is forming. Breathing breakdown. Your lungs try to compensate. They start breathing faster, deeper, irregular. But it's not enough. Without oxygen supply, your breathing becomes unstable, gasping, irregular, weak. This is known as respiratory distress. And at this stage, your body is desperately trying to survive. Loss of consciousness. As your brain continues to lose oxygen, something critical happens. Right finger: you lose consciousness. You are no longer aware of what's happening. No pain, no control, no response. Your body is still functioning, barely. But you are no longer there. Circulation collapse. Meanwhile, your heart is reaching its limit. It becomes weaker, slower, unstable. Blood flow drops drastically. Without circulation, cells starve, organs collapse, systems fail faster. Your body is now in full shutdown mode. But even after this, your body doesn't stop immediately. Because what happens next is the final stage of death itself. You'll discover what happens in the last moments of life, and what your body experiences right before everything ends. Now we've reached the final moments. This is where everything changes. Not slowly, but all at once. Right finger: this is the moment your body crosses from life into death. Brain death begins. Within seconds, your brain starts to shut down completely. No oxygen, no signals, no activity. Your neurons, the cells responsible for thought, memory, and consciousness, begin dying rapidly. Within minutes, right finger: brain damage becomes irreversible. And soon after, brain activity completely stops. This is known as brain death. This is something many people wonder. Right finger: do you feel anything? Science suggests there may be a brief surge of brain activity right before complete shutdown. Some researchers believe this could be why people report seeing flashes, memories, or light. But the truth is, we still don't fully understand it, because once the brain stops, right finger, there is no coming back to tell the story. Total system shutdown. Now, your body has lost all control. No heartbeat, no breathing, no brain function. Every system that once kept you alive is now inactive. Your body becomes completely still. No movement, no response, no life. At this exact moment, you are officially declared dead. But here's something most people don't realize. Right finger: your body is not completely gone, yet. Because even after death, cells inside your body are still alive, for a short period of time. Right after death, a new process starts, not life, but something else. Right finger decomposition. Your body begins to break down, from the inside out, and what happens next, is something few people truly understand. Because death is not the end of activity inside your body. It's just the beginning of a new phase. You'll discover what happens after death, how your body changes, and how nature slowly takes over. You might think, once the heart stops, everything ends. But in reality, right finger, that's where a completely new process begins. Because even after death, your body is still changing. Right after death, not all cells die instantly. Some cells, especially skin and muscle cells, can remain alive for hours. Inside your body, chemical reactions are still happening. But without oxygen, this balance quickly collapses. Cells begin to break down from the inside. Now something disturbing begins. Right finger, your body starts digesting itself. Enzymes that once helped with digestion are now released inside your cells. They begin breaking down tissues, organ by organ. Your organs slowly lose their structure and start dissolving internally. Bacterial takeover. But the most shocking part is this. Right finger, your body is not alone. Inside you, trillions of bacteria already exist. While you're alive, your immune system keeps them under control. But after death, that control disappears. And now, those bacteria begin to spread. They start feeding on your tissues, breaking them down from the inside out. Decomposition begins. As bacteria multiply, your body enters the stage of decomposition. Gases build up inside, causing swelling. Skin begins to change color. Organs completely break down. And slowly, your body starts returning to the earth. Over time, everything that once made you, is gone. Your tissues break down. Your organs disappear. Only bones remain. And eventually, even those return to nature. This is the truth about death. Right finger, it's not just an ending. It's a transformation. Your body doesn't vanish. It becomes part of something bigger. Nature reclaims everything. And this is what really happens inside your body. When you die, not many people understand it. But now you do. If you want to explore more shocking truths about the human body, right finger, subscribe to Life and Death Biology. Because here, we reveal what others don't.